Hello friends, welcome to Winners Capsule YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are viewing my channel, then here is a short about it. This channel is focusing on making your day-to-day studies easy through simple videos on various topics for all classes under SCRT and CBSE syllabus. And also I'll be uploading the various competitive examination tips and different types of coachings which are related to various competitive examinations. Hope this will help you to win at studies. All the best. Please to support the channel with the likes and subscription. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends. Welcome to the playlist of general knowledge. In this video, I'll be discussing most important facts on transportation. Especially, I'm focusing on different highways, important highways which are locating in our country. This can be expected for various competitive examinations such as SSC, railway, various state level PSC examination, etc. First of all, I will be displaying the questions. So kindly answer the right one. Okay, you have to choose the right option and you can note down somewhere else. I'm going to explain right now what are the important answers. Okay, what is the right answer? At that time, you are supposed to verify whether the answers are correct or not, and you will be getting a self evaluation. Okay, you can able to evaluate by yourself. There are 10 questions. Let me know out of 10 how much you are scoring. All questions are very much important and it can be expected in the forthcoming examination. Moving on to the first question. NH4 connects, which is the right answer. So please mark the right answer regarding NH4. So NH4 is actually connecting between the Thane and Belagaum. Belagaum in Karnataka. Okay. Option A is the right answer. This is regarding NH4, National Highway 4. Dash Highway connects Lucknow and Varanasi. Identify the right answer. Lucknow and Varanasi. NH26 is the right answer. That links between Lucknow and Varanasi. So go for option B. Okay. 26th. NH26. Question number 3 and 4. Let us discuss 3 and 4. NH9 links between which among the major towns? Identify NH9. NH9 the connects between Mumbai and Vijayawada. So the right answer is option B, Mumbai and Vijayawada. That is actually NH9. Importance of NH9. Dash Highway connects Varanasi and Kanyakumari, which is the right answer. So just identify the correct answer. The right answer is NH7. Please select option C. Option C is the NH7. Okay. Let me continue the remaining part of the discussion. Question 5 and 6. Dash highway links of Kolkata and Chennai. Kolkata and Chennai, which is the national highway. NH5 is the correct answer. Please refer option B. Option B is the right answer. Dash national highway links between Delhi and Fasika. Okay. It's also known as Fasilka. NH10. I can go ahead with the option C. NH10. That's the right answer. So please verify the correct answer. Now, question number 7. NH6 connects between, which is the right answer. I already explained. NH7. Okay. NH6 connects between dash. NH6 connects between Delhi and Dhule. NH6. Delhi and Dhule. Kolkata and Dhule, that's a sorry. Kolkata and Dhule is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Dash national highway links between Delhi and Fasika. So the right answer is NH10. I already explained NH10. Okay, Delhi and Fasilka. Okay, so that is regarding the answer of question number 6 and 7. Question number 8. Delhi Kolkata highway is known as dash. Delhi Kolkata highway, which is the right answer. You have to identify the correct answer for this particular problem. The right answer is So Delhi Kolkata highway that is belong to NH2. I can go ahead with option B. Question number 9 and 10. Agra Mumbai highway is known as dash. Identify the right answer. Agra Mumbai. Agra Mumbai highways belong to dash. Which is the correct answer. Agra Mumbai highways belong to dash NH3. I can go ahead with the option C. New Delhi Amritsar highway that is belong to dash. That is NH1. NH1 is actually New Delhi Amritsar highway. So please do recall Delhi Kolkata. Delhi Kolkata, which is the Delhi Kolkata means NH2. Delhi Kolkata NH2. So remember these valuable points. Now we'll be explaining the more description about this particular question. In case any clarification, please inform us very early. Thank you.